Lauren! Lauren, open up, baby. It's me.
Troy, what are you doing here? I already told you I don't want to see you anymore.
Sorry, Dal. I really wanted us.
That's enough! Leave her alone.
If you're looking for trouble,
Kara! Are you alright?
Yes. I'm fine. Who was that?
An ex-client who thinks he owns me. He was getting violent and I told him I didn't want to see him anymore.
Everything will be all right. Come on, Alice.